They didn't even notice us.
They're probably too high.
We fuck with them?
Yes. We could totally be like,
Jedi. Let's go down. Oh my god, I can't make zombie makeup.
Lisa, that's what we have to do. We just have to, for the whole month, we just have to get dressed up in zombie clothes, face the back of the cemetery, and when stupid kids bring us no God, it's have fun. It will be the greatest month of our lives.
Except for Ellen.
I'm pretty sure they're really smart, but they must have.
Oh man, that would be hilarious.
Yeah.
Got 3 more. On the way.
Yeah. They probably come to smoke pot too.
Oh, it's like,
No, they're probably with those guys.
let's pretend like we're cops or something and following them. This makes them very uneasy.
And Lisa, isn't this how those horror movies start, where we see them kill somebody with a black magic ceremony, and then they run after us, and then they haunt our dreams?
They're like 14.
Yeah, but isn't that how those movies start? What was that?
Oh, we have the creepy music.
No, what was that noise though? Before
That
the music?
was this.